Whether you're gearing up for the upcoming mowing season or just trying to keep your machine running smoothly, maintenance is key. In partnership with Stanley Black & Decker Outdoor, here's your go-to checklist to keep your lawnmower running in peak condition. To help demonstrate, today we have an awesome Cadet push mower from their Signature Cut series. So let's get into it. The first thing on our list is to check and change the oil. Change the oil at the start of every season, or after every 25 to 50 hours of use. To make draining easier, run the mower for a few minutes to warm up the oil. Once it's drained, refill with fresh oil and dispose of any used oil properly. Use a clean container with a sealed lid and follow your local disposal regulations. The next thing on our list is to inspect and clean the air filter. A clean air filter means better fuel efficiency and engine performance. If your mower gets regular use, check the filter monthly. For lighter use, inspect it at the start of each season. Foam filters can be washed with warm soapy water. Once you've washed the filter, simply let it dry, and once it's dried, apply a thin film of oil to it, and then it's ready to install. Next on the list, we're going to check the spark plug. Over time, spark plugs will develop a buildup of carbon, which will result in either poor starting or misfires. Replace your spark plug every other year or sooner if it's blackened or fouled. Use a spark plug socket wrench to remove it. And when installing a new one, make sure you always torque it to the manufacturer's specifications. The next item on the list is checking the pull start mechanism. You'll want to check your pull start mechanism to ensure it's properly engaging with the engine. To do this, you're just going to pull your starter cord to make sure that it doesn't slip. You'll also want to inspect the pull cord to make sure that it's not frayed or worn. Next on our list is checking the drive belt. If you have a self-propelled lawnmower, check your mower's drive belt for cracks, burns, or other signs of wear. If the belt feels loose, inspect the tensioner and adjust as necessary. Also, check that the pulleys and idlers aren't worn down and are properly aligned to avoid uneven wear and future breakdowns. The next thing you're going to want to do is to clean the mowing deck. Start with the underside of the deck. Over time, grass clippings, dirt, and debris build up and reduce cutting efficiency. Use a putty knife or scraper to clear out any thick buildup. Once scraped clean, rinse with a garden hose to wash away loose residue. Next on our list is you're going to want to inspect and sharpen the blade. Dull blades tear grass instead of slicing it cleanly, leaving your lawn vulnerable to disease. Sharpen your blades at least twice per season, or every 25 hours of use. If you hit a rock or debris, sharpen immediately. Use metal files or a sharpening machine and always wear gloves for safety. And the last item on our list is checking the wheels. Check the condition of your wheels. Inspect them to make sure they are turning smoothly and running straight. You'll also want to check that your wheels are all set to the same height. This is to make sure that your deck is level and giving an even cut. So there you go. We hope this video helps keep your mower running in top condition for years to come. And thanks again to our friends at Stanley Black & Decker Outdoor for helping make this video possible. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.